Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chef Devid Iacopelli and thank you so much for watching. Please share and like, and don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Benvenuti sul mio YouTube channel. Oggi cucinerò crocchette di patate con mozzarella. Andiamo a fare. Let's go make it. Here are the ingredients. We have potatoes, we have eggs, we have breadcrumbs, cheese, and flour. And you go like this, you put it all over the water, the salt. Okay, you put salt in the water. And then you get the spoon, and mix the water. Like this. You put the potatoes inside the water, like that. You start putting potatoes in the water. We put potatoes in the water, and then we get a spoon. And you mix the potatoes. Okay, the potatoes are boiling now. Okay, the potatoes are boiling. It's ready to go. There, taking off the water. Taking off the water, and then to take off the heat, you put cold water. And now it's time to break them like this. You break them. You follow the video. You use a fork. Then you get this. You get the potato ball, and you put it inside. And you can use your hand or a fork. See, like this. Then, and you go like that. Take off the like that. Take off, and then you put it inside. So now you can use your hand. You go like this, and then again. Keep trying, you keep looking. Like this one is getting good, the color. And please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the like button.